everyone. This is the pastor Mrs. who said that if your husband take you out or maybe to a gathering or to a family meeting, that you should be silent. And this video is this preaching is trending online, because you know that these days when pastor or pastor Mrs. preached, people look at it and they will tell you the ones that are good, the ones that are bad. They will start carrying it everywhere. And right now I want to talk to those of you that are Christians and those of you that are non-Christians and those of you that have been carrying this video, this preaching that Mama preached on her Facebook page. Yes, what did she said? She said that if your husband take you to a meeting or a place or his family gathering or any gathering, that you should remain silent. Why did Mama say this? Reasons why Mama said this is the reason why I want to tell you this. Mama, first of all, I want to thank you for this message. The reason why Mama said this is this. For you to have respect as a woman, people should have seen you as somebody who respects your husband and also respects your husband's friends. Can you imagine? You have been taken out to your husband's friends, and when you reach there, your husband is talking and yourself is talking. It's wrong. I want to tell you, it's wrong. There was a time when I talk together with my husband. When my husband is take me out, even to his friends, when he's talking, I'm also talking. Maybe we're narrating the same thing, and he never for one day said I should not talk again, and I didn't know it's bad until one of my husband's friends told us, not even me, that do I know that we talk together? The same thing my husband wants to talk. It's the same thing I'm talking. So, and when I went home, I think about it. And I said, I think I'm the one that will close my mouth. That is how I start closing my mouth. Then, when I start closing my mouth, if I go out now, I still see people that talk with their husband. The same time their husband is talking, they are dragging one particular story. They are saying it's not because it's wrong. It's not because the person is doing it bad. Sometimes with excitement, okay? But even the listeners, it's not good. So when a woman of God have said something, go back and think about it. In the family meeting, your husband's family meeting, there are things you don't like there. When you get home, tell your husband those things so that he will say it with his mouth. The man is not a fool and yourself is a wise person. That is why you notice that most women that talk, they publicly talk together with their husband. They even harass their family members, their husband family members. People hate them. Do you want to be loved? Don't talk when your husband have taken you out to a gathering. All those things you want to talk, allow your husband to say it. Allow him to say it. Be a listener. Listen to it. Other people are not fools. There are also, when it is time for you, they accept when they ask you to talk. Don't talk when you are not needed. Those people are his friends. Those people, that place is gathering that he has taken you to. Women, submit to your husband. And you see a lot of women will come to this video now and tell me this and